Hello students. Now today we discuss the number system. Number system as the classify the rational and irrational. Classify the rational and irrational. Now today we do the exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Question number 1. 2 minus under root 5. Now classify this number is a rational or irrational. So now separate the 2 is a rational number and minus root 5 is an irrational number. So then combining rational and irrational, that we find the irrational number. So this is the irrational number, irrational, and the second 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 23 minus under root 23. To separate, destroy the bracket. 3 plus under root 23 minus under root 23. 23 cancel. That's equal to 3. That is a rational number. Rational. So this is way to classify the rational and irrational. This is way to classify the rational and irrational. देखो हमें यहाँ रेशनल और इरेशनल के बारे में क्लासिफाई करना है कि कौन सा नंबर रेशनल है और कौन सा नंबर जो है इरेशनल है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में एक 2 अकेले रेशनल है और अकेले माइनस अंडर रूट 5 इरेशनल है। अब ये दोनों नंबर माइनस ऑपरेशन के साथ एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं। ऐसे कंडीशन में ये दोनों क्या हैं? इरेशनल है। 3 प्लस under root 23 minus under root 23. Now break the bracket. To get the result is 3. So 3 is a rational number. Simplify. Question number 2. Simplify. 3 plus under root 2. 3 plus under root 3 or 2 plus under root 2. 3 plus under root 3 and 2 plus under root 2. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो। 3 2 जा 6. 3 into root 3 2 3 root 2 plus under root 3 into 2 2 under root 3 plus under root 3 into under root 2 under root 3 under root 2. That's equal to 6 plus 3 under root 2 2 under root 3 plus under root 6. This is way to simplification. This is way to simplification of an rational and irrational number. Clear? Now next as law of exponent. law of exponents. A power m into a power n, that's equal to a power m plus n. अगर बेस सेम है तो पावर ऐड होते हैं, अगर दोनों का बेस सेम है तो पावर क्या होंगे, ऐड होंगे। नेक्स्ट, a पावर m b पावर m, that's equal to a into b power m. Third, a power m power m, that's equal to a power m into n. And the fourth, a power m upon a power n, that's equal to a power m minus n. ये चार कंडीशन है। ये 4 कंडीशन के आधार पर हम एक्सपोनेंट को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। एक्सपोनेंट को डिफाइन करने के लिए ये चारों हमारे बेस हैं, जिसे हम लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल 64 पावर 1/2, 64 पावर 1/2, 64 32, नाउ फैक्टराइज 62 को फैक्टराइज करेंगे तो 2 2 2 2 2, that is equal to 2 power 6 power 1/2 and 2 power 6 into 1/2, that's equal to 2 power 3. This is done with the help of law of exponent. This is done with the help of law of exponent. Now next, next question, 125 power 1/3, 125 power 1/3, 125 factorize 5 25, 5 5 5 1, 125 को फैक्टराइज किया गया। अब यहाँ 5 5 5 5 की पावर 3, 5 पावर 3 पावर 1/3, 5 पावर 3 into 1/3 cancel, 5 power 1, that's equal to 5. This is way to simplify the number of an exponent. 32 power 2/5, 32 power 2 by 5. 32, 2 divided 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. 2 power 5, power 2 by 5. 2 power 5 power 2 by 5, that's equal to 2 power 5 into 2 by 5, and 5 destroy. 2 power 2 power 2, that's equal to 4, that's equal to 4. Clear? Two power 2 by 3, 2 power 1 by 5. In this case, the base are same, but the exponent are not same. Base are same, but the exponent are not same. In such cases, when the base are same, then the power should be added. So 2 power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, 5 9 15, 3 5 are 15, LCM 15, 3 5 are 15, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, and 2 power 13 by 15. So this exponent can be written as, this exponent can be written as 2 power 13 by 15. 2 power 13 by 15, and 1 upon 3 power 3 power 7, 1 upon 3 power 3 power 7, 1 upon 3 power 7, that's equal to 1 upon 3 power 21. That can be written as 3 power minus 21. 3 power minus 21. Clear? And next question, 11 power 1 by 2 and 11 power 1 by 4. In this question, the base are same, but the exponent are different. So the question can be written as 11 power 1 by 4 2 minus 1 by 4. 11 power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, and that's equal to 11 power 4, 2 to the 4, and 4 1 the 4. That's equal to 11 power 1 by 4. That's equal to 11 power 1 by 4. Clear? And the last question, 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. 7 power 1 by 2 into 8 power 1 by 2. 7 into 8 power 1 by 2 and 56 power 1 by 2. So 56 power 1 by 2. Clear? Thank you.